going to do a get ready with me. I'm using MAC makeup and some MAC makeup brushes and just a few little bits and pieces. And there's a couple of little tips you might be able to pick up. I'm the mature age 55-year-old. It's just the way I do my makeup for today. It's a little bit of matte and maybe a little bit of shimmer just with the highlights. And at the end of the video, I just do what I wore for the day. So you can just, if you want to follow it to the end or skip to the end, just shows you the whole outfit put together from start to finish, as like putting all my makeup on. So if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. That would be terrific, and enjoy the video. And thanks for watching. Okay, what I'm going to do today, I'll just show you the products I'm using. I'm using a MAC, they're all MAC, most of them are MAC products. And so today I'm using the MAC palette. I've had this a long time. It's like a wintry fashion colours. It's got a lot of glittery side, this side, and I think they're all the MAC colours the other side. So I'm going to use that one. I'm going to use me MAC eyelash curlers, the MAC NW21. No, sorry, NW20, that's the MAC one there. And I'm going to use all these brushes, just MAC brushes, okay? So we've got a highlighter one, we've got an eyebrow one and an eyeliner one. The blending brush, the defining one for the eyes for the hooded eye. And then I've got the one that I'm going to use on my eyelid, and the blusher one and the makeup brush. So they're going to use all those, plus one little sneaky one. I don't know what that one is, but that's for some. Use the Bobbi Brown. I've had that for a long time. I've not got much left in there. Okay, let's get on with it then. Okay, so I put moisturiser on my face. I'm just using the Olay one, as I normally do. And I've also just got some Nivea balm on my lips at the moment. So this video is about MAC makeup products, and again, trying to make it look nice for age, well, I'm 55, so how I would do my makeup, and just a few tips. Maybe you might learn some tips on that as well. So I'll just get on with it then, and we'll make a start with the MAC makeup. So I put a little bit on my hand, and then I just pop it all through. So I'll just pop that on now, and put that all on. This is a lovely texture for my skin type. It goes on really well and it covers my pores really good, so I'm really happy with it. I'm not using any eye primer because I'm only putting this makeup on for a demonstration. Normally I would put primer on my eyelids just to hold the makeup in. Okay. Alright, so we got that on. Now on the eyelids, I'm going to just put like a little base over it just so it holds onto the makeup. And I'm going to use any one of these two. That's what I'm going to use for those, just to coat the whole eyelid. And that makes the makeup stay on pretty good. And you can put it in the corners of your eyes if you have like a bit of, you know, the darkness around. I find I've got discoloration at the top there, so I put mine up there a bit more. It just gives you an even base to work on with the colouring. The actually, it's called the contouring brush. Can't remember anyway. I'll tell you what the number is because I really should be telling you. It's called, it's 218 SE, a MAC 218 SE. So with that one, I want to just give it a nice look. So the colour I'm going to use for that is the taupe colour there. And then I'm going to use this on my eyelids. Okay. Now, so I'm sort of just going to do a line really, and then I'll blend it all in. My skin's a little bit saggy now because I'm older, so I don't want to press too hard on it, but I'm just going to carve out like an outline as if you're drawing on it. So the same for this one. I'll go around this one, you can see that side. You can see that kind of, you just draw an outline there. Won't work, is it? I'll try again on that one. A bit more. It's not as easy doing it in all these mirrors and lights. Anyway. If your skin's really saggy, you just need to, you can probably even just pull your skin a bit tighter there and do it that way. Let's have a look now. Okay. Okay, so that's step one. Okay, so done with the other one with the blending brush, and I'm just actually going to blend that through. So just sort of blend it through. I actually normally go over the whole eyeball for that one, and then you can just get the look there. Okay, so it starts to look like that. I'll go back over that way. Then I'm going to use this little brush here. I'm going to dip that into the lighter mauve colour. I'm just going to put that a bit closer. Just on the mobile lid. Got the best. Okay, so can you see how that's starting to blend in now nicely? Again, get that brush again and just buffer that all through, just so you haven't got any harsh lines. Try and keep everything up that way, because you don't want it drooping down, so you try and keep your makeup, the end of it, just to be in line with your eyebrows, where your eyebrows finish. Okay, and keep looking in the mirror just to balance everything out, make sure it's right. I've got a mirror in front of me here. I'm surrounded by mirrors. So with the little angle brush, I'm going to dip that into the same dark, the mauvey colour. I'm going to actually put that on my eyebrows, because you can't really tell it just blends in with my colouring. So, and all I'm doing here is just, I'm not doing too much detail on my eyebrows, but I'm just covering the greys really. I have a bit of a shape there, but yeah, most of my fringe covers up anyway, so it's okay. I'm going a bit closer for you for that one. So I'm just filling in the blanks and covering the greys. I have not got a tutorial on eyebrow shaping. I can't be bothered with all that. Okay, so the colour's pretty good. It covers it quite well anyway. Okay, now while you've still got the angle brush in your hand, you can do the eyeliner underneath, which is what I'm going to do now. Because I'm not doing eyeliner on the eyeball today, but under the eyes. I'm just going to take that little line. You can't really see it very well. I'm going to sort of go up a little bit there. Going this way. Eyelash curlers, and I do this a couple of times. I do it twice, so I do the mascara, let that dry, then I curl them again, then put more mascara on, and I'll show you the effect of that. So yeah, nice little pinch there. And I've got Maybelline mascara because it's one I've been using. I don't have any MAC, so never mind. It's nice little bristles. And yeah, we just do the eyelashes. I'm trying to get my eyelashes as close to the inner corner as possible, just to extend my lashes a bit, just to make them look nicer. I don't do false eyelashes, so my daughter's got a channel. Shout out to Alexandra Goldstein. She has a channel and she does a tutorial on her eyelashes. She's been using this serum to help grow her eyelashes. She keeps telling me about it, but I don't need to do that. I'm too old for all that stuff. Anyway, so I just go over and thicken my lashes a little bit more, so stay really still so you can see. Yeah, and I'll probably go in a third time and just check those. Now the next thing I'll do is do the blusher, so I'll just swirl it around with this little Bobbi Brown one. Got my blusher brush. I'm just going to do it on the cheekbones. I don't need to do contouring on. I don't do contouring on my face because I've got quite a slim face. If I put contouring on, I kind of lose it. sun-kissed look. Now highlighting, I will just put a little bit on my cheeks just there, but I'm using the Rimmel. I normally use this Rimmel one. I try not to put it too near the fine lines that I've got there, but just up a little bit. And then pop a little bit on my nose. This is a little MAC brush as well. I don't know where I got that one from, but obviously from MAC, but I don't know where, how long ago I got it. So I don't even know if they still do them. But I use that one for that part. Now the next thing I do, I might just go back through to the eyeshadow because since I've put the mascara on, it's just come over on the top there a little bit. So I'll just fix all that up there. And to do that, I'm just going to pop a bit more of the makeup in just to blend it in through there. Yeah. Okay. And go back with the eyelash colours. What I'll do is I'll show you before I go back in with the eyelash colours. So I try and get as close as possible. That's real close. But anyway, there's the eyelashes. And then I'll just use these and I'll do a bit more. And I'll show you how they flick right out. I don't know how long they stay like that after, but it looks good. So I'll take them out in front of the camera. Ooh, they feel weird. Oh yeah. And then you'll just go back over them. And the same that side as well. You can actually feel them that they've lifted up. And then I'll go back over and just accentuate them just a tiny bit more. Need a little spoolie just to complete that mascara. Just go back with your foundation brush and you can just clean up a couple of little bits that I've dropped onto your face. And if you go right up to the eyeshadow, you can actually just make that corner a bit more definite. Okay. Yep. All right. And then lastly, I'm just going to use the matte lipstick, courtesy of my daughter-in-law. She brought me this for Mother's Day. It's just a little matte, really nice colour. Yeah, it's a lovely colour. Yep, stays on really, really well. And yeah, very happy with that one. So I guess that's to do. So that's the look. And what I'll do is I'll just redo my hair a little bit and then I'll put the outfit of the day on and put the whole lot together for you. Okay, so I'll see you in a minute. Okay, this is the outfit of the day that I've chose. I've got my dark blue denim jeans on, the straight leg ones. I put some little boots together with it. I just put a little bag I'm going to be using this morning, just because I thought the colouring was quite nice with everything. I chose not to go dark with lighter jacket. I thought I'd stick to a feminine sort of look about it, which is, you know, like a nice elegant look. And I just tucked it in. So yeah, that's what I put together today. And again, there's the hair and the makeup from this morning's video. And now I have to go out and have a coffee. So that's the look of the day. And please subscribe if you like my videos and give me a thumbs up. It'd be great. Okay, thanks again. Bye for now.